Morning students, I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee and we continue with General English class. Earlier I had explained to you nouns, pronouns and also verb. We have done the two kinds of verbs, which is regular verb and irregular verbs, and there are some more kinds of verb which I will be doing in another topic, that is transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, dynamic verbs and stative verbs. But presently I am explaining you the parts of speech and we continue with that, and after verb we go to something called adverb. Now what is an adverb? Adverb is something which modifies a verb. Now what do you mean by modify? Means it adds on to the verb and it changes the context of the verb, the meaning of the verb. Now let me give you some example. Here you are. The first one is the boy is working hard. So it is not the boy who is hard, he is working hard. क्या कर रहा है? मेहनत कर रहा है. Working is verb and hard is added to the verb, and therefore what is an adverb here? Hard is an adverb here, right? Look at the second one. The students are waiting eagerly. The students are not eager, but they are waiting eagerly. So eagerly is again an adverb. And another third example, it is raining heavily. Okay, now raining is verb, as you all know, it's a doing verb. And what is it doing? It's raining heavily. Heavily is again associated to rain, and therefore heavily is also an adverb. Now when we discuss adverbs, we got to know a couple of things, and some of the questions which you need to ask yourself is how often, when, where, how and how much. Now when I say how often are you going to the college, the answer is like I am never going to the college. Now never is how often, or I am sometimes going, or I am usually going, or I am generally going, but I am not never going these days, whatever it is. So all these are adverbs, right? Again, when you talk of when, last year, last month, tomorrow, next week, then, now, whatever, soon, later, I will be going to the college soon. If I say I will be going to the college, college is noun here, going soon. Now soon is in the category of when, and therefore it is an adverb. Last year, I went last year to the college. Now last year is an adverb. Similarly, when you talk of where, suppose you are saying here, there, where, towards, downstairs, indoor, elsewhere, anywhere, away, outside, they are all adverbs. I am going somewhere. I am going. I is a noun. Going is, of course, as you can see, it's a verb. But going somewhere, or I am going elsewhere, or I am going anywhere. So this is where you are going, and this is all adverbs. Next category you have how. Suppose you say, do you understand me? I understand you clearly. Suppose you say clearly. Alright, I understand you well, or I understand quickly, or I understand very slowly. So all this again, slowly, safely, scarcely, easily, whatever, they are all adverbs. And the last one is how much. Suppose I say you had your meal fully, or almost I had my meal, or a little I had my meal, or I had it fairly, or I had just barely, or deeply, or completely. These are again all adverbs, and this is coming to the category of how much. So you have to keep these 5 things in mind. What? How often, when, where, how and how much. Now when you look at a sentence, you have to remember these 5 contexts, and then you will be able to understand adverb very clearly. Another thing which I want to explain is adverb is what? Adverb, as I said before, it describes the change which it brings into the verb. Alright. Now there are the 4 kinds of adverbs basically: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, and adverb of degree. So when you say I'll be coming tomorrow, tomorrow is adverb of time. I'll be coming tomorrow to meet you there. Now there is a place, and it is an adverb of place. But adverb of manner, I will be coming quietly. coming quietly or joyfully or happily or honestly or whatever, they are adverb of manner. किस तरह से, alright, that is तरह, this type, that is adverb of manner. And finally adverb of degree, then again you have fully and partially. She done the work, she almost finished the work. They were completely surprised by the rain or the windfall. They were completely, Now completely is not they, completely is they are surprised. Surprised is a verb here and completely is telling us about the verb, and therefore it is an adverb of degree. Alright, so you have to remember the 5 questions when you look at a sentence and the 4 types of adverbs which we should be knowing. I move a little ahead and we come to adjectives. And when I say adjective, now adjective, this is very clear, is visheshan as you say, and this is a word which tells us about the characteristics of noun and pronoun. Now for example, the room is clean, or the students are honest, or the sky is cloudy. So all these things are telling us about the noun or pronoun, so place, person or thing, and therefore it is an adjective or a visheshan. Now again, when you talk of visheshan, we have to keep certain visheshans in mind, and there are so many and so many in English language. But if we go with the color, we have black and blue and green and pink. We can go with the size, and you have big and large and short and little. We can go with shape, and you have a boxy or a round or a square or a triangle. And we can also go by taste. So how was the mango? It was sweet, or it was sour, or it was whatever, tangy and bitter and tart. So there are different varieties of taste. And then you have order. Then you have texture. We have color, and you have the color. You have the flour and the mesh and the musty and the salty and the stinky. Texture is bumpy and smooth. How was the ride in the bus? कैसा रहा? So you said it was bumpy, मतलब खूब कूदा है, so it is like bumpy. All right. Now it was very smooth, so you never had a problem. It was smooth. So it's the texture when talking of. Sound is, of course, the sound is coming. It can be a faint sound, it can be a harmonious sound, it can be loud or pleasant or quiet. And then you talk of number, and then few and many and plenty and sparse and two. And weather, when you say it's a clear day, the day is clear, so it's an adjective here. Or dry or foggy or rainy or windy, they are all telling us about the day, and of course you can know the day is a noun. So adjective is something which is telling us about the noun. To make it much more easy and simple for you, I have made this chart. So you have the color, and there are certain colors and as many as you want to put in. Then size is again, a couple of them I have put here: small and tiny and medium and large and huge and gigantic and big and short. So you have the sizes. You have the texture, is that the texture means the quality, so smooth and hard and fluffy and smooth and whatever it is, fuzzy. And shape is, of course, shape can be square and round and curved and straight and wide and narrow and crooked and flat. So they are all adjectives. Now one interesting thing I want to say, suppose I give you a sentence and I say Pink City is a fast train. Okay, when I say Pink City is a fast train, fast is the train, and therefore Pink City, fast is an adjective here. But now the same adjective I can change into verb. Suppose I say Pink City runs fast, but the moment I say runs fast, so it is not telling us about the Pink City, it's telling us about the running. दौड़ता जल्दी है, ठीक है? So now here fast becomes an adverb. So just do some practices and you will be able to understand. I'll give you assignment later, but you have these things. Try and make some sentences of adjectives today and adverbs, and the more you practice, the better you will be able to understand. Alright, thank you. If you have clarification, you can ask me, and thank you so much.